Are your tomato plants struggling to grow tall, produce juicy fruits, or stay upright without flopping over? Let me show you 5 genius garden hacks that will completely change how you grow tomatoes and make your plants thrive like never before. Growing tomatoes can be a bit tricky, right? They're picky about their support and need constant attention to stay healthy. But don't worry, these hacks will save you time, boost your harvest, and keep your tomato plants looking like rock stars in your garden. Forget expensive cages. All you need is some sturdy string or twine and a couple of tall stakes. For this hack, you'll need some old wire mesh or even a roll of sturdy chicken wire. Start with tall wooden or metal stakes placed about 4 to 5 feet apart along your tomato row. Mulch is a layer of organic material like straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips that you spread around the base of your plants. You'll need some wooden or metal poles, strong wire or rope, and a bit of DIY spirit. And there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful hacks to support your tomato plants and maximize your harvest. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Gardenia Tips for more smart gardening.